all a bunch of scammers, or are they? So I'm Presh and I'm here to help you identify who's real versus who's fake in financial markets. And today's video is by officialbradgoh. So let's get into this video. We're met with the caption, $100 per day Forex trading. Lovely. Who wouldn't want to earn $100 a day, right? 5 trading days in a week for us retail traders. So that's $500 a week, right?
Here's how you can make $100 a day trading Forex.
Great. Love it.
Go on to tradingview.com and click on charts.
Yes.
Make sure you got Forex selected on your search bar and you can click on any of this.
So go to Forex and then just click on any Euro USD, regardless of the broker, just click on any.
And then make sure you are on the 30 minutes chart.
30-minute chart.
The first strategy I'm going to be using is called order block.
Order blocks.
If this green candle is bigger than this red candle,
so if the green candle is bigger than the red candle, so that's a bullish engulfing.
and the next candle also